If you're experiencing issues with the Rocket League update getting stuck, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and unlock the update process. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or restarting your router if necessary. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve update issues and prompt the update to continue. Step 3. Clear cache. If the update is still stuck, try clearing the cache of your gaming platform. For consoles, this often involves turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. For PC, you can clear the cache through the game launcher settings. Step 4. Check for system updates. Make sure your gaming platform, console, or PC is up to date. Sometimes, system updates are required for game updates to install correctly. Check for any pending updates and install them. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Rocket League. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. Following these steps should help you unlock the update process for Rocket League. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to official support for further assistance.